Today I'm sharing a sweet and salty recipe. It's honey and cheese filled pie, or you can also call it a paratha. So let's get started. First we will knead the dough. For that take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix it with half cup of whole wheat flour. To it add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 cup of water. You may require more or less water while kneading the dough, and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Knead the dough. The dough should not be too stiff or too soft. It should be of medium softness. When the dough is kneaded, apply oil all over the dough and cover it and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. So the dough is rested, knead it again to get a nice smooth dough. And divide the dough into 6 equal portions. And make small balls out of each portion. Now take a portion, dust some dry flour and then roll it. Roll it as thin as possible. You may dust more dry flour while rolling it. It should be somewhat see-through like this. Apply some oil, or you can also use butter. Brush it all over the dough. Then hold the opposite sides and bring them to the center to form the shape of a rectangle. Drizzle some honey and place a cheese slice in the center. Drizzle more honey on the cheese slice and cover it with another cheese slice. Now very carefully fold in. First fold, then press its sides, then second fold and secure its sides by pressing it by your fingers. Next, heat a flat pan and add some oil. When the oil is heated up, shallow fry the pie, or you may also call it a paratha. Fry until it's nice, crisp and golden brown. Wow, it looks delicious. Now let's see from inside how it looks. You may see how many layers it has got, and wow, the cheese is oozing out. Its taste is so indulgent that you and your family will love it. Bon appetit! Please, if you like my content, then please like, share and subscribe. And please do comment below what's your favorite sweet and salty dish. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.